Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you guys ever so much for all of your subscriptions, your likes, your comments. You're a treasure here, know that. When I was doing the pre-shuffle, in the last collective I just did for you, we were talking about Spirit calling these people hypocrites. In the pre-shuffle, what came out was the fact that some of these are doing black magic, and they're talking about your spirituality, yet they're over there doing black magic. That's why Spirit's calling them hypocrites. Soulmates and separation, what's going on? Going on with these counterparts, Spirit? What's going on with these counterparts? That's what I mean. You're a luminous warrior. Oh boy, full of wind, are they? Eagle energy looking out for you, looking out for their warriors, protecting you from this. What's going on with this Jaguar? What in your life needs released? What have you carried around with you for too long? Which is ready to be let go of once and for all? Jaguar medicine is available to heal the fears so that you can allow it to go. It is time to come out of the shadows and end the shadow games that you may have been unconsciously agreed to play. Free yourself from toxic relationships and recover your natural instinct for the right people and situations. Wind. When the spirit of wind comes calling, it's a sign of change. Perhaps you need to change your mind about something. Perhaps an old way of doing things. And now that you've gained greater clarity, you can make a choice. Regardless of what the change is, you can expect to be understood, to have clear communication with others at this time. Ideas are solid and the shift is being called for in the highest good of all. It is time to see through the eyes of the eagle. Let your visions of whole and parts become laser-like and set your priorities straight. What did you come to do in this life? Did you come to climb the ladder of financial or social success, or did you come here to become a better person, to heal your heart, to realize your essential self? What is your divine mission here on earth? No more excuses, of course. You do not have enough time, enough money, enough sleep. Yes, it's time now to fly your chosen purpose. If you postpone it, you are betraying yourself. Look through the eyes of the eagle and consider every obstacle. When you set your intention is where you'll end up. Fly. Live your highest dream. Luminous Warrior. Are you being tempted? by your emotions to follow your lower instincts? Are you being invited to enter into a quarrel with somebody? Put your sword away. It is not time for a battle. Your enemy is not who you think it is. Do not act from a place of anger that will damage your relationship and hurt the ones that you care for. Find the truth in your heart. Now, I asked what's going on with the counterparts. That's what's going on. They need to change their ways. They thinking that you're the enemy. Change. End it. End the bullshit. What did you come here to achieve? Did you come here to climb the ladder? Look good? Find a trophy? Or are you here to do something of substance with your heart, with your soul? Are you finding your purpose in life? Or are you going through your life as superficial? In a nutshell. That's why Spirit calls them hypocrites. Sorry, but true. Too busy looking good to their friends, climbing the social ladder. Where's that getting them? They're only wasting this lifetime. They're betraying themselves. They're not betraying anybody but themselves. You are not the enemy. Okay? The enemy is within. The past. Totally remembering the situation differently than how they really occurred. So their recollection of the past is different than you see it. They think superficially. You think of the light. That's why Spirit's calling them a hypocrite. They're remembering, their recollection is that you are the enemy. In reverse, unawakened. So all they gotta do is look to the stars. Follow their north node. They're a flirt. That's why you were being told to protect the fruits of your labor. Because these people are unawakened. They recall things differently. You have focused in on your north node, discovering your life purpose, and Spirit's telling you to protect the fruits of your labor. So the information that you heard was very difficult to hear. But spoke your truth with kindness. You are an indigo. You thought that you could trust this person. You thought that this person was warm-hearted. This person a new relationship is coming toward you. Someone very honorable, someone devoted, mature, warm-hearted, because you deserve this. You did not deserve how you were treated. This person destroyed your self-confidence. You've rebuilt it, or you're working on it. They deliberately tried to destroy your self-confidence, make you feel insecure. Somebody's playing with fire, third party, love triangle, stirring the pot. A vengeful and someone very wanting to seek revenge, to tear others down, to stir in the pot, causing trouble. But the cards are stacked against them. They're no match for you. You're an indigo. Their game is weak. They can't even get a call back. You know what I mean? They got a weak game now because you're on to them. And I do believe others are on to them. People see this person as a troublemaker. Happiness. Someone may have trapped this person, keep them stuck with a child. All superficial. Money, 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 money. That's why you're getting it. And that's why they're going to be in lack. They're superficial. They're selfish, self-centered. This is a troublemaker who interfered in your relationship. Cutting you down. Someone spiritual. Just out to get you. Backstabbing you. But they're hurting themselves by doing this. Superficial. I'm telling you right now. What are you here for? Are you here to love, or are you here to build, financial security and don't care who you crap on to get there? Climbing the ladder of success here at all expense. Ego. That's why their karma is to be like they're going to end up alone and heavily burdened. Jealousy, envy. love bombing. But they're deceiving themselves. Because the truth and the clarity is coming out. And see someone being greedy, vindictive, and vengeful. To control. This is a deceiver. Spirit told you to walk away. Just got it out for you. Protect what is yours. This karmic energy has got it out for you. It's win at all costs. I want the money. I want the money. I want the money. That's why you're being told to protect your harvest. Because I would not put it past this person at all to come toward you, to hustle you for finances. It's like a conspiracy. It's all superficial. And now that you are reaping the rewards of your harvest, of doing the work, of finding your destined path, this person might come in and like put on a false front for you. But if they are not awakened and not on their divine path, Spirit's telling you to protect yourself from this person. So they're hustling, man. Their game is weak, man. They can't even get a call back from some people. They've got such a bad reputation now of being a player that people, they might be reduced to like marrying the karmic because they can't even get a call back from anybody who is worthy. They're digging low. All right? Scraping the bottom of the barrel. They're going to end up alone. And they're going to be forced to take whatever comes their way because they're getting such a bad reputation, nobody wants to deal with them. And I kind of feel, well, in a way I feel sorry for the karmic because they're scraping the bottom of the barrel. Just saying. Spirit's telling them to release. But they're doing the opposite. They're grasping at straws. Their game is weak. I think they've extended their selves with the circle that they used to roll with, and I think that they're changing circles. That's all they're doing. This person is at war, trying to outdo you. But they're only undoing themselves. That's what the universe is saying, guys. They're scraping the bottom of the barrel. It's like, oh, I better get in a committed relationship. Nobody will deal with me. I can't even get a call back. Oh, I better go hook somebody. They're only cheating themselves. They're not cheating you. They're not playing you. Their game is over with you. You know their game. Take care, my loves.